Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to tell you about the commands in Augnito. By now, you're well aware of the first command to get started, Open Smart Editor. There is also another editor called the Micro Editor, for which you use the command Open Micro Editor. This opens up a small window above the menu. The advantage of the Micro Editor is that you can maintain focus on the scans while the transcription happens in a non-obtrusive manner in the Micro Editor. Next command is Open Templates. So all the templates that you have uploaded will come up on the screen to your left side. If you remember the specific name of the template, you can say Open MRI Brain Plane. If you just remember the main category of the template, say Open MRI Brain, and then browse and choose the correct number. Next, use the command Show Line Number followed by Go to line number, say for example, go to line number 20. To move the cursor to that particular line. Next, to edit a sentence, you can say undo that. You can use the commands delete last line, delete last word, or you can use a very specific command, delete last 3 words. In the conclusion, I like to use bullets, so I enable this by saying start bullets. I also like to have it in bold, so I say start bold. Next, once I complete the report, I like to use the commands save document to save the document in a particular folder, and also the command print document to immediately take a printout. Lastly, if you wish to copy paste the report into a hospital information system, an HIS, go to the respective area in the HIS and say transfer text. This will copy paste the entire report into that section. Alternatively, if you wish to transfer the entire report into another Word document, again, open a Word document and say transfer text, and the entire information would be transferred. It's that simple. Hey guys, thanks for watching, and do leave your queries in the comment section, and we'll catch you soon in the next one.